Room service used to mean calling the front desk and waiting 30 minutes for a staff member to deliver your late-night snack. But AI is changing the game. Hotels are now testing robots that can autonomously navigate facilities, receive orders, and deliver items right to your door. One example is Savioke's Relay robot currently being used at hotels like the Marriott Aloft in Silicon Valley. Relay is summoned via the hotel app. You can order anything from a toothbrush to a burger. After confirming your room number, Relay promptly heads to the kitchen, picks up your items, then takes the elevator to your floor. Using 3D cameras, Relay maps the most efficient delivery route. Once at your door, it calls your room to announce its arrival. After delivering your items, it returns itself to the robot station for charging. These AI bots provide room service 24/7 with no need to tip, and they free up hotel staff for other tasks. While at early stages, expect to see AI room service robots become mainstream in the next 5 years.